Hello students, welcome back to our channel As You Are Learning with Divya. Students, in today's class, let us learn about point, line segment and line. What is a point? Point is an exact location. When you take a pencil and put a dot, that dot is called as point. So, a point is the smallest shape in geometry. It is represented by a dot and is always named using a capital letter. It will not have a length or a breadth. It will not have any thickness. If you take out a pencil and put a dot, that dot is called as point. Look here. Here, tip of a pencil represents a point and two sides of triangle meeting each other at a point, right? So here when you take out pencil and put a dot, this dot is called as point, right? So it will not have any length or breadth. It's just a point and it will be named after a capital letter. For this point you can name with any capital letter. Point A, B, C till Z, any capital letter you can name for this point. So a dot in geometry is called as a point. Next, what is a line? A line is an endless straight path that extends in both the directions. A line can extend in both the directions. A line is a collection of points extended infinitely in both the directions along a straight path. A line has no end points, so it has no fixed length. A line does not have any fixed length. It can extend in both the directions. Here, a line is represented by the arrowheads on both the sides to show that it can be extended in both the sides. Here are kinds of straight lines. This is horizontal straight line and this vertical straight line, and this is oblique or slanting straight line, right? These are the types of straight lines. As you can see here, it is shown by an arrow. If the line has an arrow, that means the line can be extended. It can be extended further. As this line has both the sides arrows, means it can be extended in both the sides. If a line can be extended from both the sides, means it is called as a line. The symbol of straight line is this. So a line is named by taking two end points on it. It will have two end points and it can be extended in both the sides. Arrows in opposite directions shows that a line is endless. It can be extended in both the sides. Next, a line segment. What is a line segment? It's a part of line It has definite length and is marked by two end points. In the line, we understood that it can be extended in both the sides as it will have arrows on both the sides. But in line segments, it will have a starting point and an ending point. It cannot be extended. Line segment cannot be extended. A line segment is a part of line. It has a definite length and is marked by two end points. Look here. Here it has a starting point and an ending point. It does not has arrows. That means the line cannot be extended in both the sides. The line is fixed. It starts from P and is ending at Q. It cannot be extended in any ways. Here in the given figure, PQ is a part of line, that is, it is a line segment. P and Q are endpoints of this line segment. A line segment can be measured. A line segment can be drawn horizontally, vertically or slanting. Here PQ is the symbol for the line segment PQ. From here to here it is fixed. If you take out a pencil and measure also approximately, it could be 4 centimeters, and 4 centimeters line is fixed. It cannot be extended in any of the ways. So it is called as line segment. Measuring line segments. How can we measure line segments? To measure a line segment, we need to use ruler or scale. One edge of a ruler is marked in centimeters. Here, look at the ruler here. Here, I think you can see the 10 small lines in between 0 and 1. And these lines are called millimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. From 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, and each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. So each small part is called as millimeter. Each part is called as millimeter. So how many millimeters from 0 to 1? 10 millimeters from 0 to 1. That means 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So now when we measure the line segment A and B, we should always keep the ruler point at 0. Yes, we should not start from the middle or from any of the number. We should always start from 0. So the starting point should be at 0 and we'll measure the ending point. So here the ending point is 5. So the line segment of A and B is AB is 5 centimeter. The same way, the line segment of CD here is C is starting at 0 but D is in between 3 and 4. It's after 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters, that means 0.5. So the line segment of CD is 3.5 centimeters. Remember, the placement of scale is wrong means the measurement will also go wrong. So always keep the O mark of the scale at one of the two ends of the line segment. Otherwise, if you keep somewhere on other numbers, your measurement of line segment will be wrong. So I hope you have understood the difference between line and line segment, and also a point. Thanks for watching and keep supporting